Assalamualaikum. I'm Mohammad Shakur Rahman, lecturer accounting, Haji Mansur Ali, University College, Department of Accounting. Today, our subject is business communication aptitude writing. This subject is third in BB Honors second year. Now I'm going to first chapter, Introduction to Business Communication. Introduction to Business Communication. So today our topic is important and feature of business communication. Important and feature of business communication. Important and feature of business communication. There is a strong relationship. There is a strong relationship between the successful communication and employee satisfaction. Such effective communication is the prediction for a job satisfaction as well as the better productivity of the organization. Without the effective communication, we cannot run our business, function properly, and we cannot communicate, and we cannot make a decision, and we cannot make a correlation, and do not make a good working environment in our business organization. So important on business communication cannot be described in a word. Professor Kevin Davis rightly said that business communication is necessary to perpetuate but preserve the half of health of organization. When the communication is effective, it tends to encourage better performance and job satisfaction. The importance of business communication are as follows. First is, one is in decision making. In decision making. In decision making. Managerial decision affected by the existence of the organization. Thus, manager need timely and useful information to make the proper decision. Without sound communication, without effective communication system, you cannot make a provide decision properly. So, in the making a decision for business, we need business communication. We need business communication too. In making plan, effective plan are indispensable for the achievement of the organization goal. An effective communication network is essential for the effective plan. That means without making a effective communication, we cannot make a proper plan. Without making a proper plan, organization cannot reach their goal. So we need business communication to make plan. 3, implementation of plan. Implementation of plan. A very good plan may go in vain. It is not properly implementation. Top level management always plan and employee and subordinate implement it. So without making effective communication and good communication, we cannot implementation our plan, because without flow of our information between the group and subordinate group or department, that is not possible to implementation our plan. So we can say here that implementation of plans, we need to business communication. 4, in policy formulation. In policy formulation. To make a top level management make a policy to achieve the gain. But when top level management formulate the policy without communicate the lower level, the policy will not properly formulated. So we need communication effectively to make policy formulation effectively. 5, in controlling. Supervise, establish command and control and their subordinate through downward communication. That means to make a control, organization, department, sub-department, and employee, we need effective communication. Without effective communication, that is possible to control department, sub-department, and employee. Because miscommunication make a misconception, and misconception make a indiscipline of organization. 6, in direction. Superior are often direct their subordinate through the communication channel, and channel command is established on the whole organization. So to make the sound direction to the particular party, we need to business communication properly. And 7, in coordination. Coordination of coordination between the manager and employee. That means if you want to make the effective or make a good relation with the manager and employee, we need to business communication. Such kind of communication make our relation well. 8, in cooperation. Cooperative environment is created the proper communication system. Cooperative environment is created by the proper communication. 9, in motivation. Superior use the various tools of communication to motivate their subordinate, and subordinate are encouraged to work in the proper daily. That means to make the various types of communication, we can motivate our employee to meet by motivating the employee of the organization can achieve their goal. 10, in sharing idea. Ideas. Instead, interested parties can share their ideas in properly through the sound communication. By sharing the idea between the top level and lower level and mid level, we can make effective communication that can solve our problem easily. 11, in solving problem. Communication play a vital role to solve any kind of problem in the organization by making proper or prompt communication to the particular party, we can solve our problem directly by making proper communication. So in solving problem, communication role very important. In maximization cost and time. In maximization cost and time. Communication channel provide the latest information and aid to manage to minimum cost and time of the organization. Such as example, you can say that the company use the old rules and regulation that is very costly, but when the company want to declare the new rules regulation that is to minimize the time and the cost of the organization declaration. When the declaration is not properly to connect to the employee, that will not maximize the cost and time. So to maximize the cost and time properly, it can help to reduce cost and time of organization. In product development. In product development. Management collects the latest information, customers, choice, demand, and ability, etc., and develop their products to attempt prospective to customer. That is possible to make the effective communication. In creating awareness. In creating awareness. Proper communication helps to create awareness among the employee about their duties and responsibility. Among the employee about their duties and responsibility. After that, they are aware about their duties and responsibility and implement that. In public relation. In public relation. Communication helps to establish the relation with the customer, creditor, shareholder, government, tax authority, and etc. Without the proper communication that is possible to make in public relation with the particular parties such as shareholder, creditor, government, and tax authority and VAT authority. 16. In ensuring teamwork. In ensuring teamwork. Communication makes the whole organization as a teamwork, ensure the organizational development, ensure the gain the goal of organization by making proper, perfect and correct communication that is possible to team building, teamwork. So at the end of the discussion, we can say that there are various reasons for importance and function of business communication that is discusses. So our business communication and report writing chapter introduction of business class is over here. Welcome to watch our class, and we invite you to watch our next class.